Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi has put out a fresh video, and this is over the NEET discussion and debate. The India opposition bloc wants to have a constructive debate, is what Rahul Gandhi has said, and saying he's alleging that they're not even being permitted. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi has said.
Good afternoon, and this is for all the students who took NEET and also the students who are taking other competitive exams in the country. There's been a disaster as far as NEET is concerned. Everybody knows that the paper was leaked. People made thousands of crores of rupees. And the students were hurt, were damaged. The students studied for years. It's their dream, their aspiration to enter the medical field. And that dream and aspiration has been destroyed and ridiculed. And that is why yesterday, in the opposition meeting, I personally raised this issue and I said, look, to send a message to the students that we care for them, we believe in them, they are the future, we need to spend one day discussing NEET. And there was a unanimous agreement among all opposition parties that yes, a discussion on NEET, a one-day discussion on NEET is required and should be done. And we're committed to having that discussion peacefully in a very, very accommodating manner. I tried to raise it in Parliament. Of course, as you saw, I wasn't allowed to speak. This is an issue that has affected 2 crore students. 70 times in 7 years, papers have been leaked. It's clear that there is a systemic problem. It is clear that there is huge amount of corruption, and we simply cannot continue like this. Also, the students want a resolution quickly. So the idea behind the discussion was that we get a resolution to this issue because crores and crores of people, their family members are in pain. They don't know what is going to happen in the future. And it's important that we give them clarity. It's unfortunate that the government didn't want this. It seemed to me that the direction was directly from the Prime Minister. It's sad that the Prime Minister of India, who in fact should be leading the discussion and should be telling us about his opinion and should be telling us about what he is going to do, simply doesn't want to debate. We are ready for a debate, we want to debate, and we don't want to fight with the government. We want to place our views on the table. Thank you.
So basically the India opposition bloc, and now with numbers in the parliament, is trying to push on the NEET, for example. It's that big public related issue. Lok Sabha had to be adjourned. It's adjourned till Monday now. Amid this uproar that we saw, we were expecting a debate and a discussion and on the NEET, which is the medical entrance examination, with allegations of irregularities and malpractice. With this massive commotion and ruckus, Lok Sabha Speaker slammed the opposition MPs for allegedly disrupting the House proceedings. Congress, however, has decided to charge back. Congress is claiming that Rahul Gandhi, when he was speaking, his mic got switched off when specifically he had stood to speak on the NEET issue. This is the Congress party's claim. Before the proceedings began, Leader of Opposition had sent out a message urging that there should be a respectful discussion, and again now have put out a video to say that deliberately a discussion is not being permitted by the ruling party.
हम तो प्रारंभिक दिनों से कहते हैं कि हमारी दायित्व, सरकार की दायित्व देश की नौजवानों की प्रति है, देश की विद्यार्थियों की प्रति है। हम सारा विषय स्पष्टता के साथ आप लोगों के माध्यम से देश के सामने रखे हैं, आज भी सदन में रखना चाहते हैं। आज तो जब मैं लोकसभा में था, जब प्रतिपक्ष उस विषय पे अपने बातों पे रहे, स्पीकर महोदय ने कहा कि तब आप चर्चा नहीं चाहते हो। हम तो आपको चर्चा करने के लिए अवसर दे रहे हैं। सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है। जब आप चर्चा से भागते हो, सरकार अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए प्रस्तुत है, तो कंफ्यूजन किस बात की है?
नीट एग्जामिनेशन के जो इतने बड़े घोटाले हो गए, पेपर लीक हो गया, बच्चे परेशान हैं, लाखों बच्चे परेशान हैं, तो इन लोगों का जो समस्या है उसके तरफ ध्यान खींचने के लिए हमने स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन मांगा। राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पे डिस्टर्ब करना नहीं चाहते थे। हम सिर्फ उनके जो स्टूडेंट्स के मुद्दे हैं उसको उठाकर उनके सामने रखना चाहते थे।
माननीय सदस्यगण, मैं पुनः आपसे आग्रह करता हूं, हर विषय पर, हर मुद्दे पर आप राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर चर्चा कर सकते हैं, संवाद कर सकते हैं। और सरकार आपके हर विषय का जवाब देगी। आप नियोजित तरीके से सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, मुद्दों पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, राष्ट्रपति अभिभाषण पर चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते।
Saket, you are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. You are virtually becoming a nuisance to yourself. And Mr. Derek O'Brien, you are becoming a director. You are becoming a director.
All our senior members wants to raise the issue of the NEET. What has happened? Lakhs and lakhs of students are suffering in the country. Please, I have no objection. But the point is, the government has already taken the decision and order for a CBI inquiry. The inquiry has not been completed. In 3 states, they have arrested the people who are responsible for this type of damage. Sir, please, sir, I am sitting in this house. I don't want to take sides. But so far as the NEET examination is concerned, what has happened? Yes, I do agree. You can't fix the responsibility because there are thousands of examiners in the whole country. Is it so easy to fix the responsibility on an individual? The examination has, of course, it has gone wrong. And the government has taken the decision, it is the right decision. The concerned minister, the concerned minister has taken the decision. Till the inquiry is completed, you can't. Till the inquiry is completed, you can't take responsibility and damage the image of the government.
जिस प्रकार का आचरण दिखाया जा रहा है, इससे साफ समझ में आता है सभापति महोदय, इनका उद्देश्य सवाल का जवाब और जवाब के सवाल में नहीं है, इनका उद्देश्य बवाल में अधिक दिखाई पड़ रहा है। इसलिए ये अपोजिशन की इस नियत को भी स्पष्ट करता है।
देखा आपने किस तरह से उन लोगों ने वहां पे उनका आचरण किस तरह का था, और अध्यक्ष महोदय जी ने भी उनको काफी फटकार लगाई कि आप लोग, जैसा लगता है जैसे सड़क और सदन का जो विद्रोह होता है उसमें कुछ फर्क होता है, लेकिन लगता है वो किसी की बात सुनने को तैयार ही नहीं है। एकदम हम लोग भी, क्योंकि पहली बार आए तो हम भी घबरा गए कि ऐसा क्या हो गया, इतना ज्यादा चिल्लाना चीखना। ऐसा लगा कि वो वहाँ बीच में आके जो है वेल क्या कहते हैं उसे, उधर आके जो है वो ऐसा लगा अटैक करने वाले हैं। तो हम तो बिल्कुल, हमारा तो पहली टाइम है, पर ये देख के काफी बुरा लगा कि उन्होंने किसी को भी बात नहीं करने दी।
कितने सपने लेके बच्चे नीट का पेपर देते और मिलता कि पेपर लीक के घोटाले, तो उनके परिवारों का क्या हाल होगा? कर्ज लेने के लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं एजुकेशन पॉलिसी किस तरह की होगी है। एक तरफ बड़े बड़े प्राइवेट स्कूल हैं जहाँ अमीर लोग जा सकते हैं, गरीब बच्चों के लिए पढ़ने के लिए सरकारी स्कूल हैं, या किस तरह से जमीन बेच के कर्ज लेके किस तरह से काम चलाते हैं। तो जब उनके सपने कुछ ले जाते हैं, वो सुसाइड कर रहे हैं, उनको जवाब कौन देगा? इसलिए नीट पे जो है जवाब मांगा गया।